To use a Prizepicks code. Start by understanding what Prizepicks is. Prizepicks is a daily fantasy sports platform where users can place over-under picks on various sports and games. A Prizepicks code is a promotional code that gives new users a bonus or incentive to join the platform. First, sign up for a Prizepicks account by downloading the app or visiting the website. Once you have created your account, click on the promo code or referral link section. Enter the Prizepicks code you have obtained, and you will receive the bonus or incentive associated with that code. The bonus can be in the form of free money to place picks or a match on your initial deposit. For example, if the Prizepicks code gives you a 100% match on your first deposit, and you deposit $20, you will get $20 in bonus money. To use the bonus money, navigate to the picks section and select the sport and game you want to place a pick on. Choose the over or under option and enter the amount you want to wager, including the bonus money. Confirm your pick and wait for the game to finish to see if you have won. Best practices for using a Prizepicks code include reading the terms and conditions associated with the code, understanding the wagering requirements, and managing your bankroll effectively. It is also essential to research and analyze the games and sports before placing picks to increase your chances of winning. In conclusion, using a Prizepicks code is a simple and straightforward process that can give you a bonus or incentive to join the platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using your Prizepicks code and enjoy the benefits of daily fantasy sports.